Welcome to Elite Data. Today, we're exploring the longest railway tunnels in the world, Indonesia. The Tarawangan Sasaksat Tunnel stretches 1 kilometer. Ukraine, the Beskid Railway Tunnel, measuring 1.8 kilometers. Portugal, the Rocio Tunnel, at 1.6 kilometers, runs beneath Lisbon, linking the city's heart to its northern districts. Iran, the Gaduk Tunnel, 2.8 kilometers long, cuts through rugged mountain terrain to connect major rail lines. Pakistan, the Kojak Tunnel, 3.91 kilometers long, is a historic marvel built during British rule, piercing through the mountains of Balochistan. Czech Republic, another Beskid Railway Tunnel, this one 4.2 kilometers long, plays a vital role in the nation's transport network. Kenya, the Ngong Tunnel at 4.5 kilometers, Slovakia. The Harmanek Tunnel, 4.6 kilometers long, Mexico. The Tren Interurbano Tunnel, stretching 4.7 kilometers, connects Mexico City to Toluca through mountainous terrain. Thailand. The Pha Sadet Tunnel, 5.4 kilometers, and the Ingao Tunnel, 6.24 kilometers, represent Thailand's expanding railway infrastructure through challenging landscapes. Slovenia. The Bohinj Tunnel, 6.3 kilometers long, carves through the Julian Alps, linking the nation's scenic railway routes. Bulgaria, the Vakaril Tunnel, at 6.8 kilometers, serves as a vital connection on Bulgaria's main rail line. Romania, the Ormenes Tunnel, measuring 6.9 kilometers, runs through the Transylvanian hills with impressive engineering precision. Netherlands, the HSL Zuid Rail Tunnel, 7.2 kilometers long, supports Europe's high-speed rail network beneath Dutch soil. Denmark, the Copenhagen Metro Tunnel, 8.6 kilometers. Brazil, the Tunelão, also 8.6 kilometers, is South America's major rail tunnel cutting through mountain ranges. Sweden, the Hallandsås Tunnel, 8.7 kilometers long, faced many challenges but finally stands as a symbol of perseverance. New Zealand, the Kaimai Tunnel, 8.9 kilometers. Greece, the Kallidromo Tunnel, 9 kilometers, is one of the longest in southeastern Europe, showcasing Greek engineering skill. Germany, the Landrücken Tunnel, stretching 10.8 kilometers, is one of Germany's most important high-speed rail routes. United States, the Cascade Tunnel, 12.6 kilometers long, runs through the Cascade Mountains of Washington State. A true engineering triumph. Singapore, the Thomson East Coastline Tunnel, 13 kilometers, represents Singapore's world-class urban rail design. Turkey, the Marmaray Tunnel, 13.5 kilometers. Finland, the Savio Rail Tunnel, also 13.5 kilometers. India, the Janassu Tunnel, 14.5 kilometers long, is part of India's ambitious mountain railway projects. Canada, the Mount Macdonald Tunnel, 14.7 kilometers, passes through the Rockies, built to overcome Canada's toughest terrains. South Africa, the Gautrain Tunnel, 15 kilometers, connects Johannesburg and Pretoria with modern underground precision. Russia, the Severomoisky Tunnel, 15.3 kilometers long. Malaysia, the Genting Tunnel, 16.4 kilometers, winds through tropical highlands to support Malaysia's electric rail system. Italy, the Apennine-based tunnel, 18.5 kilometers, connects Bologna and Florence, a core link of Italy's rail backbone. Norway, the Blix Tunnel, 19.5 kilometers, is Norway's longest, running deep beneath mountains and fjords. Australia, the Sydney Metro Tunnel, stretching 24 kilometers, is Australia's largest underground transport project. Spain, the Guadarrama Tunnel, 28.4 kilometers long, cuts through Spain's mountains as part of the Madrid-Valladolid high-speed line. China, the Songshan Lake Tunnel, 28.8 kilometers, shows China's leadership in modern railway construction. Austria, the Koralm Tunnel, 32.9 kilometers, connects Graz and Klagenfurt, enhancing European high-speed travel. South Korea, the Yulhyeon Tunnel, 50.3 kilometers long, France United Kingdom. The Channel Tunnel, 50.5 kilometers, famously links the UK and France beneath the English Channel. Japan, the Seikan Tunnel, 53.8 kilometers. Switzerland. And finally, the Gotthard Base Tunnel, 57.1 kilometers long, is the longest railway tunnel in the world. Thank you for watching.